Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I can get to the crafting table without growing the actual beanstalk in the middle. First, you are going to want to get a Princess Thorn seed. I got lucky and I got one. I don't know, I'm not going to open the rest of my sprout seeds, but I got one, and I basically used the sprinkler method to make it grow this tall. Yeah, that is tall. I guess it can work on other plants too, like the burning butt. It grows tall as well. Maybe the asparagus, I'm not sure. It's not very bendable though, so I don't think you can kind of like steer it to go where you want unless you're like in the middle. So I suggest using the Princess Thorn because in a private server, you're able to go there anyways. And hopefully it's going that way. So use the sprinkler method. You can also move it a little bit more to the left if you'd like to. Then you're going to want to climb it. I go up my mango tree first, and then I climb this like tree. And then, do I have my beanstalks? I need to craft something. Wait. Okay, I think I did. Then I'm just going to climb up the Princess Thorn here. And if you get to a place where you can climb like this way, you're just going to want to jump. Oops. You're going to kind of want to jump to the like left side here. Then you're going to get to the very top. And you're just going to want to kind of aim to drop like on the beanstalk area. So just do that. And as you can see, I can now craft, which I think is fun. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Also, you cannot talk to the giant though. You do need to actually grow the beanstalk. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.